I'm at Arabian Mountain. Finna go check out Mountain Lake. I ain't never been here before. I'm in Stonecrest, Georgia. It ain't raining right now, it just rained. It's creeks coming to this, so I know it's gonna be some fresh water coming out. So that should bring out fish. Let's see what's going on. Let me know if in the comments if you would consider this a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to me. I'm on a mountain, Jimmy and 40, finna go fishing. I'm feeling sporty. I got my glasses. I see you fuck niggas. I'm from the east side. You know what's up with us. If it's up with us, then it's stuck with us. If you ain't gonna bust with us, don't hop in this truck with us. Seem like I roll the dice. Roll the dice for real. I got life hack. Live it. Alright, shit, fuck, we gotta take a break. Look at that. Good spring water coming in. Oh, I might go right here. Ooh, perfect spot. See, when you fishing in the rain, that's what you're looking for. That fresh water coming in. Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. It's nice, y'all. Let's see the other side. Damn. Sometimes you gotta drop your shit, but save your ass. You gotta drop everything to save your ass sometimes. Life lesson. I think that's where I'm gonna fish at right here. And be careful because I'm not trying to fall. Oh yeah. I could fuck with this. Like I thought. Ain't nobody out here. That's crazy. Georgia. Georgia. I got one, y'all. I got one. I got one. Oh, oh man. Oh, we're back. Oh shit. I think it's time to get the fuck going. This shit thundering. So, listen. When you catch something and you don't have the camera ready, fuck the camera. I lost a bass. Fucking around with y'all.